Hello and welcome to the Paper Cup Travels Carry-On Edition. Today we're in Luxembourg, staying at the Mandarina Hotel at the airport, staying in Suite 114. We enter the room and look for the lights. It is 2 twin beds pushed together in this room. You have a desk, some side tables with European style plugs, coffee. Here we have the closet and some shelves, but apparently no safe. And a TV, air conditioner. Here we go. The washroom. You have the toilet. Sink and the shower and some amenities. Thank you for watching this quick room tour of Suite 114 at the Hotel Mandarina. As always, if you enjoy these videos, please like, subscribe, leave a comment.